Here are some tips for using your MG151 3D Shiatsu Massager from Beurer. First, insert the connector plug into the socket on the Shiatsu Massager. Then plug the mains adapter into the power supply. Switch on the Shiatsu Massager with the on-off button. The massage heads will start to rotate. There's a button that allows you to change the direction of the massage. If you want to activate the heat function, press the wave button. Press the button a second time to deactivate the heat function. You can select from 3 intensity levels using the intensity button. The device automatically starts on the lowest level. You can use the massager on different parts of the body. We recommend using massage variations in the neck and back area. For neck and back massages, place the device on the intended area and select the desired pressure using the handles. You can also massage your shoulder blades by placing the massage belt diagonally across your left or right shoulder. The Shiatsu Massager switches off automatically after a maximum operating period of 15 minutes. This is also the recommended massage duration. You can also switch off the device manually by pressing the on-off button. Then unplug the device from the mains. Please also observe the instructions for use and safety notes. We hope you enjoy using your MG151 3D Shiatsu Massager from Beurer. Stay healthy!